Hello everyone, I'm Nanook. I'm OLENA'S helper.
Hi everyone, hi! I know you're waiting for a new video about this unique paper I'm start using to make jewelry, but honestly speaking I had no time to work with this paper, with these pendants and necklaces and earrings, and I will do it next week because this week I'm invited to a huge famous festival in Mississauga on Streetsville. It calls Bread and Honey Festival, and it's running for 52 years, and I'm a vendor and I'm so happy to be a vendor there. So that's why I have 2 busy days, Saturday and Sunday, and I will be selling like my stuff, like art, jewelry, crafts, and that's why I was busy a couple days working with a new collection of stuff, and I made quite a lot for kids. And in this video I would like to share some rules, my rules, because nobody wrote any rules, like I just created for myself about safety of jewelry for kids. And as you can see, I made quite a lot of bracelets and also some earrings. I'm gonna show you and share with you some ideas. So I have a 4-year granddaughter, and my daughter also was a kid, a toddler, and I was a kid. My niece was a kid, and I remember how we like bright objects, especially bright jewelry, and how we look into the box of which jewelry belongs to my mom, and then my daughter likes my jewelry. So that's why I like to create some jewelry for kids. But again, at that time we didn't have enough material, safe material for children, but now we have enough material safe for children. And that's why safety, it's number one rule, and that's why I use soft beads, it's silicone beads, very soft, very nice, and even if it cuts in child's stomach, it will not damage the stomach, it will go out with the poo, nothing happen bad. Chemically, it's actually neutral. It doesn't create any chemical reaction with skin. It's bright. It doesn't change the colors. And children like this type of beads, right? I mean, this type of color. So I made a couple bracelets. Like this is a couple bracelets like this one. So I always use spandex. I use always spandex, and I don't use any clips if I make kids bracelets, because it's mostly for safety reason, and they can put on and take off this beautiful bracelets very easy, and it's light, it's not heavy, and it's pleasant for touch. It doesn't irritate skin, it's great material, especially for people who has some kind of higher sensitivity of skin for anything that touches the skin. But this is amazing material. Also for pendants I made, I use spandex, magnetic clips, because if somebody pull the necklace, for example, it will not damage kid's neck and skin. This type of bracelets, they have edges, so a little bit kind of harder, but again, it's on a spandex, it's colorful, easy to remove, and usually children, they wear just season or 2, and then they want something different. So that's why its material is not expensive. I bought on, I guess, Timo.com, or you can find it on Amazon, on AliExpress, so silicone as well. This one, it's a very soft plastic, very bright, colorful, and it's also good for bracelets and pendants, especially for children. And I made actually 2. I made different kind of rainbow colors, its favorite colors. And children love rainbow, as you know, and I was planning to make unicorn poo in rainbow colors, but I didn't have time. But I'll show you in a video. I'm gonna make it. So This one is a little bit bigger, probably for teenager, even adult. It's very bright. It's really bright, especially on sunshine, and it's beautiful colors. It's soft. It's silicone as well, so it's soft. And I put in spandex. I didn't add any clips or whatever. So it's summer type jewelry. Why not? And it's not expensive. You know, I can put the price like for this type of bracelets from $6 to maximum $10 Canadian dollars, which is perfect for parents if they don't want to pay more money. But I also made some bracelets for adults. And by the way, the festival bread. So I got these two bits, bread and honey. I couldn't find honey. I don't have any bottles of, like mini bottles of honey. So I made bees. Beautiful, beautiful pair of earrings. And also, you know, it's a nice top. I bought this top on Amazon.com, and beads I bought on Temu.com. You know, so beautiful, beautiful beads. It's lamp work, handmade lamp work. And I have some extra, so I decided to make these beautiful bracelets with a special beads. They call it mystic or mystery beads, mystic beads. And it's a 3D effect. You cannot see, unfortunately, cannot see the beauty of this like 3D effect at the moment. I need more light. I also use this one glass, no, it's actually plastic beads. I like the color, could change the color, so people like something bright and shiny. And I use very simple technique. This technique is very simple of making bracelets. You can find on YouTube, but if not, then I'll probably show you how to make. And the same technique with this one. This is a set, actually, bracelets made in this technique. Then I had some lava beads, very beautiful lava beads. It's colored, but again, it's such a beautiful color. So I add some seed beads and I made these beautiful bracelets. And I had some extra, and I had a little kind of pendant or whatever. So I make one bracelet like this, and I made like this. Here we have lamp work. It's blowing technique lamp work, and some check crystals, you know, beautiful, shiny. For some it's perfect. So I put on metal wire, and then I add this lobster lock, as well as here some lobsters. This is quite heavy. This is lamp work, handmade lamp work with this is miracle beads. It's shiny, and especially change the colors at when the sun is shining, and I like this. Is heavy, so this is for adults. It's actually my size, a little bit bigger than like average size, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it shorter or not. And also I had a couple wooden beads, like wood beads, big one, very light, with ladybugs and with watermelons. So this is I made as well. Now I'm going to show you some ideas about earrings. You know, there are different types of charms you can buy online, and it's from cheap one to expensive ones. So I found this beautiful charms, butterflies, and I made stud earrings like this. You see, it's simple, but they're very beautiful. Then I found another charms, like I said, children likes unicorn. So this is rose gold, by the way, and I made unicorn earrings. Probably the hook's too big for little girls. I couldn't find a smaller hooks. I had some plastic beads like pigs. Well, it's summertime, somebody likes animals, so why not? So you see, this is like plastic pigs. And I had the same beads. It's like bunnies. Bunny, beautiful bunny. So I just put on a hook and I made like bunny. I made these beautiful earrings. It's charms. Belongs to the charms section, but I said, what if I make beautiful, elegant earrings? And I made this a pair of beautiful earrings like strawberries. Also, I have kind of like this one, strawberries. This is actually fabric, and it's mostly for decoration of something, but I found it's so light, so beautiful. So here we have a beautiful strawberries again. And another pair of strawberries. It also belongs to charm section, like it's charms for bracelets. But I decided to make this beautiful, beautiful earrings. And also with using the charms, like I use this one, like ice cream earrings. So it's not necessary to put the charms, this kind of beads on bracelets. You can use them to make jewelry, right? And also I found this amazing, beautiful, colorful dragonfly beads, and I made this beautiful earrings. Back to bread and honey, my favorite bread and honey. So this is like what I made. As you can see, it's quite a lot, and doesn't take too much time, but it's creativity. It's whatever you have in your possession and you can use to create any kind of jewelry you want. So I'm very happy about the outcome, and I will show how to work with this amazing paper I bought. I just had no time to kind of be back to my regular routine, mostly because of this beautiful festival. So subscribe to my channel, write comments, and watch my videos. And thank you very much for being in my life. Bye bye.